How do you choose the right marine airbags for ship launching? Vessel size is important, but it is not the only factor. First, confirm the vessel's launching weight. This determines the required load-bearing capacity and the number of airbags. Second, check the vessel's beam. The airbag must have sufficient effective length to support the hull safely and extend beyond both sides for easier operation. Third, select the appropriate airbag diameter according to the supporting block height, required working height, and launching ramp conditions. Fourth, choose the correct number of reinforcement layers. Larger and heavier vessels generally require airbags with higher load-bearing capacity. The quantity and spacing of the airbags should also be calculated according to the vessel's weight distribution and hull structure. Finally, evaluate the launching site, including the ramp slope, ground condition, water level, and launching distance. A suitable airbag system helps ensure a safer, smoother, and more controlled launch. Provide your vessel and launching site information, and we can recommend a suitable marine airbag solution.